Hello there, I am Tukusuzaru. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue today's video with color adjustment here. Here the color adjustment in Adobe Photoshop. Color corrections involve changing and specifically correcting colors that make an image appear unnatural or incorrect. Some common examples include objects that are supposed to be white and they are not, skin tones, and do not appear to be human colors. On such occasion, it's possible to correct by using some techniques. There are various corrections that can make your image look dramatically better. Some of the correction we'll cover in this lesson are labels and curves, saturation, and auto adjustment tools. Labels and curves. If you want to modify the tonal range of your image, for example, by making the shadow or highlights brighter or darker, you can adjust the label or curves. The other is saturation. If the color in an image are muted or dull, you can increase the saturation. You can also reduce the saturation to make colors more produced. And the other is the auto adjustment tools. It is possible to adjust automatically the color arrangement of a particular picture or image. If you are not exactly sure what type of correction to make, Photoshop comes with several automatic adjustment tools can make improve your image. Therefore, it gives you also this chance to adjust automatically. Color adjustment using labels and curves. The first method is color adjustment for a particular image using labels and curves. What a label is, for instance. The first is labels in Photoshop. Every image has a mix of shadows, highlights, and midtones stuff. When you say shadow, they are the darkest part of the image, and highlights are the brightest parts, and the midtones are everything. Sometimes the image they are not appropriate that the image becomes incorrect. When the shadow highlight and midtones in inappropriate balance, the consequences the image becomes incorrect or has no a good appearance. That we have to adjust such pictures or images. When you adjust labels, you are adjusting these different tools. For instance, it's for brightness and contrast in short. In case of label, it's brightness mostly, and in case of curve, is adjusting its contrast. There are many reasons to use labels adjustment. For instance, if you have a particular dark or underexposed image, it's possible to adjust. First, you have to lower or open the digital photo you want to adjust. Then on the layers panel or under the image menu, you can choose adjustment and you'll have label. For around here, by right click method, it's possible to display label and you can adjust the brightness of a particular image. The other is the curve. Curve, in case of curve, is adjusting brightness, contrast, increasing contrast and decreasing the contrast after loading the image. You'll get both options under image adjustment tool or by right click method on this area. Let me demonstrate you practically here. It may not be as such difficult. First, you have to load the image. That you want just the brightness and the contrast of the particular image. Then under image adjustment it says labels and curves are found here. On the other case, you can by right click method, you can found around here by right click method on this area, on this adjustment layer, then label and curves are found here. Let me choose on this image menu labels. Then there is a slide here. There is a slide button. You can increase the brightness. So when you move to the left, and you can increase decrease the brightness when you right. By this way, you can easily increase or decrease the brightness of a particular image. The same to curve adjustment. In case of label, brightness, increase or decrease brightness. Curve, in case of curve, it is decrease or increase the contrast, like this. When you move the slide, the curve, you can increase or decrease the contrast, like this. And there is a saturation under adjustment. Hue saturation is this. The same to the first two features. You can adjust. You can increase the color of a hue, saturation, and lightness of a particular image by moving the slider like this to the left or to the right. You can make it, for instance, black and white when you decrease the saturation to negative, as you have seen here. The lightness is here, lightness is decreased, now it is hidden. You can increase the lightness like this. This is a what? I've clicked on cancel that. It's not applied. The other is auto adjustment. It's possible to adjust also automatically for a particular image. Under image, auto adjustment here. Auto color. Automatically it adjusts to a normal image. Normal image. The last topic for this chapter is image sharpening. Sometimes an image may not be clear as you like to be. On such occasion, we will adjust our image using unsharpen mask, smart sharpen, and using high pass. Just here are the options. Let me load a particular image and duplicate. It says here to duplicate, right click, duplicate the layer, then okay. Now it is duplicated or unlocked. And let us follow the step here. Then go to layer, says layer sharpen. Sorry, under filter, sharpen, sharpen, and sharpen mask, sharpen. Unsharpen mask. Choose the unsharpen mask, second option. Then apply says make it amount 20. Radius 1, default and threshold 0, then okay. You get an appropriate image using the unsharp mask. Mostly use this as 1 to 2 radius to have a good appearance. or to have corrected right adjusted image. Just you can use unsharpen mask. Using the unsharpen mask, you can adjust the image. Mostly the radius is between 1 and 1.5. And the smart sharpen, the other is smart sharpen. Possible also you can use the sharpen and smart sharpen. And the third one is sharpening an image in Photoshop using high pass. Under filter, before that you have to convert the image into smart object. How can we change it to smart? Just here right click on the image and convert to smart object. Now it is converted into smart object automatically. Filter, other, then high pass. Under high pass you have to say what about the radius. Mostly adjust the radius value to the highlight it by starting with the lowest, it says. Lowest to the highest value. For instance, if to have a smart, smart with the correct image, just make it between 2 and 5, it says. Decrease here using the slider, you can decrease. Now you can make it 3.4 like this, and you can change the variety of, you can choose variety of option, either soft light, you can make it soft light, or you can make it darken. You can choose variety of options that is appropriate for you based on your want. You can choose the appropriate option. Soft is very appropriate here. You can choose soft light. This is about some effects that are appeared on this textbook. Thank you.